In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix 100% GPU usage while gaming AMD. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to reduce the workload on your GPU, which means that it won't run at a constant 100%. However, before I start, I want to make it very clear. It's important to understand that 100% GPU usage while gaming is often desired because this will indicate that the GPU is performing as intended. There is no harm in using your GPU at 100%. It means your graphics card is working at its full potential to render as many frames as possible, and it isn't being bottlenecked by your CPU or other system components. The only way in which this is going to be a problem is if you are noticing stuttering or low FPS, excessive heat or fan noise, or you don't want the power consumption, so you just want to reduce the electricity bill or run your system cooler. Regardless of your preferences and the reasons on why you would want to do this, I'm going to show you various ways to optimize this. Of course, the most basic one is to lower in-game settings. The higher you go regarding graphical quality, the more your GPU is going to be used. So, you can lower the resolution if you are playing on something like windowed or full screen. Set a frame rate limit, which is going to help tremendously. So usually you can set it to the limit of your monitor refresh rate. You can change the rendering mode to DirectX 11 or set it to performance. As you can see, it has lower graphical fidelity, but it is going to give you better performance and better power consumption overall. And then for the quality presets, drop it to something like high or medium. The game will still look pretty enough, but you will get the benefits of lowering the workload on your GPU, which can potentially free up some power consumption. Now, besides this, another thing to pay attention to is to see if your GPU is being used or at 100% even when you are not gaming. If you notice that it is, it could be an indication of malware or even a cryptocurrency miner, for example. So I would highly recommend doing a scan with Malwarebytes or Windows Security, because if the GPU is at constant usage even when you don't play Fortnite, like I said, it could be something related to viruses. Next, always keep your AMD drivers up to date. Right-click the Windows icon, open the AMD software, and in here on the system category, always check for updates. It is important to always keep them up to date, running the latest version available. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. You can configure the power plant settings, but in my opinion, it is always going to come down to the drivers and the settings inside of the game. Remember to keep Windows up to date and manage these settings inside of the game accordingly. And all of this in conjunction should help lower the GPU usage. And remember that there is no harm in running your GPU at 100%. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix 100% GPU usage while gaming AMD. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.